G'day guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a video that I did a few weeks back. I haven't been able to edit it because it's pretty crappy really. It's not bad. It's not crappy, but it's, yeah, you know what I mean. I did a canning video, basically using a canning machine that I was loaned by Firkin Cellars over in Morwell. I'll leave a link down there for their website as well as their store. I had the chance to can my own beer. So I have done that. Dog's hair on there. That's not nice, is it? Anyway, I'm about to try the can. It's been in here for about 3 to 4 weeks, I think. I'm about to open one up. A couple of the cans I canned actually turned out to be not sealed properly. So the actual, what do you call it, the carbonation got out. So this one didn't. This one's still got its solidness. So we're ready to find out. So have a look at that. I'll crack it open. This is my Stone and Wood Pacific Ale that I haven't drank yet. Still got lots of it left. We'll crack it open. It hissed a little. So, yep, it looks all right. I'll grab a glass and we'll see what it looks like, huh? Beer, let's have a go, eh? Pause, all right. Still looks nice and clean. So, not going to whinge about that. Lost a lot of its carbonation though. Look at that. There's absolutely hardly any. So, here it is. About to do the taste test. As you can see, have a look at that. It is actually carbonated nicely. It looks like a pretty good beer. Clean as a whistle. Let's see how we go with it, shall we? All right. Smells absolutely beautiful. That is gorgeous. That is a beautiful beer. It tastes exactly how I put it in the can before. I'm absolutely wrapped. It actually worked really well. How can you go wrong, really? Canning your own beer. These guys provided me with these cans free of charge, which was really good of them. They haven't paid me in any other way. They haven't paid me at all. I asked them if I can borrow the machine so I can try it out. So they kindly gave me a few cans to work with, about 12. 6 of them I got to work, mainly because I didn't know how to set the machine up. I was very heavy-handed, and yeah, I think this could be a good thing for most of you out there who want to take it with you. Once you get the hang of it, you're going to have some great beers stored in cans that will last a long time. No light can get in, so that it can be stored for a much longer period of time than you normally have to get it stored. I think you'll be quite pleased with this machine if you were to actually get one for yourself. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Guess what I'm going to do today? I'm going to can some beer. I've been kindly loaned a Cannular from Keg King by Firkin Cellars. Carl at Firkin Cellars in Morwell has kindly loaned me this unit to give it a try, learn how to use it, and maybe do a video so people can see what it's all about. So stick around, we've got more to come. So for me to put them into a can, I have to sanitize each and every can, as well as their lid, so I can basically put on and make sure that it sanitizes its seals. Now I went for the lid that wouldn't come apart, didn't I? So we've got our lids, which look like a can of course, and a can of course. So those guys sit on top like that. We place this into the fingity bob and that into the fungity boogle. So with this setup, you have your canning lever, which is kindly loaned to me as well from Firkin Cellars. And we have our can. So what I'm going to do is just grab a can for the first shot, pop our lever, which I've sanitized, purge any oxygen that might be in the gas part, just to let any air out. And then we fill up the can. You won't be able to see it, but I'll try and show you. Now it's coming out quite foamy, so I'm going to have a problem here. The problem is, the beers are a little bit too foamy, and I'm going to have issues with it not being full enough in the can. So that's going to be a problem for me. Okay, it's flowing a little bit better than I like this time. So I'm getting a lot more brew in rather than foam. All right, I'll get back to you. Okay, all right guys, we're ready to can. This is a swivel lift, so it actually swivels as it goes up to lock the can in place. So we pop our can on top, which just sits in there nicely on here. And up here, where you've seen before, is a little anvil or whatever it is that lines up with the lid. I'll bring you over to have a look at that. What we're looking at here is a little anvil up here, lines up with this little lid and has a little connection to it, and as you wind her up, it locks on to it, which is not high enough, so now I have to readjust that to get the height right. So I'll be back. This is a little spacer to push up the actual can to put the pressure up on the lid, which is here, onto the actual anvil. So when you put these cans in, there's a little space here, a little adjuster. You need to adjust it up until it actually firmly pushes up against that anvil up there, which I have just about to do, which is firmly done now. So now what I need to do is spin the can and lock the lid on. Let's see how we go. I hope you can see what's going on here. If you're ready, we're going to spin her up, see if it flies out or goes anywhere. Look at that. And so now, you see the beer's getting around everywhere, splashing around. We pull this one. No, this one first, which peels it over, then the other one to fold it under. Okay, that's it. Hope I did that right. Yeah, I don't think I did that right. I'm in the wrong side. Turn it back up. Spin again. Oh, that's no good either. What have I done wrong? I put too much pressure on it, did I? Nope. Didn't work. Okay, new can, different problem, new try. Line her up, push it on firmly, apparently like that. Start the spin, and you've got to push it away from you for 2 seconds and then towards you for 2 seconds. Ready? Away and towards you. And that's done. Let's see if that's sealed. Tell you what, that was a lot better going than the last one. Yep, looks like we've got a sealed can, I think. Wow, that was really terrible. We'll do a few more and see how they go, shall we? Hey guys, just to summarise today, not overly happy with what I did. It's purely my fault. I've never used the system before, I've never been taught how to do it. Watch a quick video on it, thought it'd be great, I'll know what to do. Just to let you know that these canning systems are awesome. They're great for people who want to go out, they want to go somewhere and do stuff, want to take your beer with you and put it into a fridge and have it stored for a while. The cans are pure, bacterial controlled. The cans are sealed, so there's no light that can get in, so your beer will last in the can. It's just like having them kegged. But the problems I had were more my problems. Heavy-handedness, my beer was overcarbonated, and my lack of knowledge on how to use it. I did get 7 beers canned. I did lose 5. Through experimenting and learning how to use it. So it's not too bad. Once you get the hang of it, it'll be an awesome little item, a little job to do. If you like it, check it out at Firkin Cellars. They got one on display there. They loaned me their one just to give it a go today to film it. Say hello to Carl over there. He may just set you up with a good one. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe so you can get more videos. Hit the little bell, of course. That's what everybody does. and you'll get notifications when I upload my next video. And cheers, see you later. That'll do. I'm done with it. I'm done with it. So what do you think? Was it a disaster, or did we all learn something from this? I think I did. I think I'm not going to be doing canning. I don't want to do it because of the frustration of trying to get it all right. I haven't got the time to do it. Once it works out well, once you get used to doing it, I'm sure would be a brilliant thing. But on any other hand, it's not going to be something I want to do anyway. But love the experience of it, and I'm happy to talk to anybody about the mistakes I made, if you want to ask. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.